Hello everyone, welcome to the Flying Machine channel. The nose of an aircraft, or nose cone, is a crucial part of an aircraft. During the construction process, the nose is constructed separately from the fuselage. This is because the nose has components with its own technology that differ from the components found on the fuselage. What are the technologically important components found in the nose of an aircraft? This is what we will discuss in this video. The nose of an aircraft is the most forward-facing part of an aircraft. Like the wings, the nose is the part that is most affected by air resistance or drag. This resistance increases as the aircraft's speed increases. Therefore, the shape of the nose must be aerodynamic to reduce this resistance. Many civil aircraft operating at subsonic speeds have domed noses with blunt angles. However, on supersonic aircraft, such as fighter jets, the nose has a bullet-like shape with sharper or even pointed angles. Therefore, it can be said that the shape of an aircraft's nose is adapted to the type of aircraft based on its speed. In most civil and military aircraft, the nose houses various critical components related to the aircraft's navigation and communication systems. These components include radar and radio instruments used to detect meteorological phenomena, track enemy aircraft, or transmit communication signals. The nose of an aircraft is constructed of special materials that allow electronic signals to pass through. Materials used in the construction of the nose include fiberglass, quartz, honeycomb, foam, and various chemical resins. The instrument components in the nose are highly sensitive. Therefore, the nose structure is coated with a specially designed paint to protect it from damage caused by extreme temperatures. The impact of high-velocity rain, snow, and abrasive particles, ultraviolet light, and high-voltage static electricity. In addition, other materials such as polyester, polyurethane, alkyd enamel, and epoxy acrylic coatings are also used to coat the nose. These coatings are formulated with graphite or carbon particles to prevent the buildup of static charges that can interfere with radar signals. The aircraft's nose is also equipped with a lightning rod strip designed to protect the navigation and communication system components from lightning strikes. Because the nose contains various components of the aircraft's navigation and communication systems, this area must be carefully maintained, ensuring no leaks or water seepage are allowed. Even the slightest water seepage is extremely dangerous for these electronic components. Water seepage can cause short circuits in the electrical components, which can lead to failure of the aircraft's navigation and communication systems. This can lead to the aircraft deviating from its course, resulting in an accident. Therefore, regular inspections of the aircraft's nose surface are necessary. Maintenance of the nose can be achieved by periodically coating the surface with a hydrophobic material to prevent water seepage. That is the discussion of the shape and technology of the aircraft nose. If you have other interesting information about the aircraft's nose, let's discuss it in the comments section. See you in the next video.